here, I have learned all about Medicare, call for services, Cover California, which I was not very aware before of. And so as a promotora, I've been able to connect people with the agency and really rely on the agency to help the people that I encounter in my community, especially people that are close to me, whether it be in the church, family members, just community people. And they, many people have been here. I would say a little good number have benefited from the St. Louis services. I hosted a refugee family, and they needed medical help, psychological help. I mean, all type of help. And so the first thing that we focused on providing them was making sure that they were their health. It was a big concern. So I brought them here because this family, the entire family, went through a lot of trauma, especially the mother. In their country and getting to the United States, at the border, they were at a shelter for a while. And so when they arrived here into my house, they were in great need of mainly mental health. And so we learned about the services that St. Louis offers. They nicely took her in, and she got medical for her and her two kids. But mainly the youngest one is the one that needed more medical attention because he had throat and nose issue. He couldn't breathe at night, especially at night. So he needed medical because he was a minor, so he was able to get medical faster. They help her with the application, the process, and the follow up, and fortunately, it was very fast. It was a fast process. Thinking that they noticed or they realized that this is a family of great need, and so they gave her gift cards to Fuforles, and so they used these gift cards to go to Fuforles and get food. And I remember their faces, like they were all excited and wow, we even got food and now we can have our own food in the fridge. And they're doing way better now. By the way, they were also connected. One of the ladies in St. Louis, I'm thinking that they probably noticed, they realized they need a lot of help. And so they connected them with Chirla, or they needed help with their status here. And so they did. They connected with Chirla, and so they had their appointment, and now their legal status here. It's more stable. So the family right now is way better. She's working. She's a caretaker, being that she was a nurse in her country. Her son is working. The youngest one is working and going to school. So this is a very successful story on my side.